Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update the software on your Samsung Smart TV. Now this is assuming you understand how to navigate the remote. You pretty much are just going to be using the home button and then the directional pad and the enter button. But I'm going to show you how to quickly access the settings menu so you can do a software update or check to see if you have the current updated software on your TV. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so once you have your TV turned on, all you're going to have to do is press the home button to pull up the home button menu. And then you're going to want to scroll over to the left. Use your directional pad, head over to the left until you get to settings, which is the gear icon. Select settings, and then you're going to scroll down till you see support. Once you're in support, click enter, and you'll see at the very top there, software update. Now you can either select have it update automatically or update it yourself and check, but I like to select auto update just so you have the most current one available and you don't have to worry about ever doing it again. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.